Hello everyone, welcome to the day 6 of Daily Bug Bounty Challenge. This is Ali and we're going to start the day 6. So, let's start with this recap of the yesterday. Okay, so let's see what we done previous day. As you can see, we talk about some interesting topics and like the S3 bucket, like the fuzzing directory files specific, and the FFUF tool, and download the word list, what kind of word list we should use, and the suggest filters that we use in our process of vulnerability discovery. So let's get back to the work and let's what we should do today. Let's close this and minimize this and okay. So what we should do, we get back to day 6 and continue hunting. And for today, if anything goes correctly, we going deep and going forward for other aspect of doing bug bounty hunting on a specific domain. And till today we doing at the first dorking. Okay, we're going dorking, then the dorking is contains Google dorking, then we doing Bing dorking, then we work with wayback machine, then we doing wayback machine, and this is the steps of doing dorking. But we can also search on GitHub. We can do this, and I'm going to highlight this to make sure we can do this all. After the dorking, we're doing some kind of recon. What we done in recon or reconnaissance, we're doing subdomain discovery for subdomain discovery. We just use the passive resources to find the subdomains for a specific domain. We use subfinder, we use chaos, and as you can see, we use abuseipdb. So abuseipdb, then we use crtsh, then we use Center, which means, if you want to know what I mean, Subdomain Center. This, I mean this. Okay, we write down the complete name, and after that we use wayback. Again, as you can see, it's so helpful for us, and it leads us to some interesting point. We can use the wayback machine to some low-hanging fruit like data or information disclosure, or we arrive to some interesting endpoints that's very helpful for us, or even we can find the subdomains that exist from the earlier to now, and it's so helpful for us. And sorry, and this is what is it. So we go again, write this down way back. Okay, this is what we done till now. So, or what we do after doing subdomain discovery. Let's get back in here. If we get here, as you can see, we use this, and this is the only domain that we put in these program domains. And for now, let's run the Recon script to get if any new subdomain added to this or not to this domain. And Python, and let's check. So until now, we talk about as you can see in here, we talk about subdomain discovery in Recon. Then let's increase our tools and see what happened in here. Okay, this script is going work well, and found discount clean subdomains for this domain. So it's interesting, and we can go to the, or we can cat the subdomains justiscover.com, and this is the subdomains that is sorted, and any duplicates it go off, and everything is all right. Now we're going to continue these recon steps, and as you can see, after we do subdomain discovery, best way to continue our methodology is to do name resolution. We told and talked about it earlier, and now what we can do for the name resolution. The best way is, sorry, let's write down in here, name resolution. Okay, what we can do for the name resolution. Before telling anything, let's check what is the name resolution. So, in a simple way, we can tell that name resolution is the process of get the IP address of a host name. So Now we know that, and let's check. Let's check what tool we should use. We use the dnsx tool. Let's check its install, and it's very good. The other day we talk about the dnsx and using why do command that is good, but for now we can just do this dnsx-l, the subdomain, okay, and we can use the thread of 20 and dash silent, and we tell him to anu the subdomains, just it, scuba.com in here dot live, live, and that's it. And as you can see, this is the hosts and subdomains that have IP address. That means it's up. And for now, what we should do after doing the process of name resolution, let's in here command, okay, and subdomains, .txt. That's it. And we even installation, and for the process of installation, it's very easy. Overall, the process of install the Go based tools, it's very simple. You need just dnsx, as you can see, just copy and then paste to the process of download. So we're going to complete this methodology together. For now, we're doing subdomain discovery. Before that, we're doing dorking. Then in the recon process, that let's copy, let's cut it, and in here, sorry, and paste. Now it's better now. In the recon, we use dorking, we use subdomain discovery, and then we use name resolution. So after we trying to install the httpx, now we install the tool, and for now what we should do, the job we should do is get back to service discovery. So what we should do in the service discovery, the very basic job is to, okay, let's, oh shit, pipeline, and then a new, or not a new. Let's start and see what happened in here. Okay, Cloudflare forbidden. Okay, it's cool. So command, and it's cool to use it. And as you can see, this is the command, and installation also is in here. We use this one and use this one. And sorry, get back in here, installation, and done. Okay, something is wrong. What if we open it and let's check the, oh yeah, it's forbidden. But what if we're trying to enter the test? Is there any differences? No. So immediately skip it. What if in here is okay, nginx not found? This is better. Let's add the referrer to the command we add in here for better experience. httpx https domain and then subdomains. Oh no, domain.com, and it's cool. Domain.com. Let's see how it's going. Okay, let's copy this command and paste, and let's check. But for now, it's cool to wait and see what's the result. Everything is forbidden, 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 not found. So we should wait and see what is the process. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm very glad to pass the day 6 and daily bug bounty challenge. See you tomorrow.